Hey everybody, let's get our warm up going. OR, Dr. All right, today I think we need to do something crazy. After each one, I want you to do a big stretch. AR, beggar. Big stretch. SION, television, Jean. Big stretch. TION, vacation, Sean. Stretch my hands. SION, mansion, Sean. Roll my neck. And I want us to work on the vowel sounds. We haven't done those quite as much these past few days. So I'm going to hold it up and you are going to read through them all. No echoing me. Do it yourself today. Okay, pause if you need more time to do all of those sounds. And let's look at some sound-alike words. Read me the word. Wait. Try to beat me. Wait. Throne. Throne. Who thinks they can use these two words together in a sentence? Simba is going to have to wait to go. Let's see. Wait a second. You shouldn't have thrown the ball through the window. And then what if it was like this? This is where I was thinking Simba needs to wait to get on the throne. How about this combo? All right, let me try one. They had thrown the trash away and the weight was very heavy. Not the best sentence, but it does show that I understand the meaning. Okay, so here we go. Today we are going to get right into a couple things. We have a little bit of reading of words, a little bit of a game to vote on what ending it has, and then a full checkup that's going to look like this. Full writing. Okay, so first I want you to try your best to read all these words as quickly as you can. Okay, what words have at the end? All of them do. Very good. Okay, that was our reading practice. And now for a little voting game. Everyone needs their whiteboard and their marker. And we're going to be practicing with the sound at the end of words. Okay, so all of these words are going to be two syllables. So I want in each of the boxes at the top you to write what could the options be if you hear in the second syllable. It could be that's most common. It could be AR, like beggar, or it could be OR, like doctor. So these are all of our spelling options. Okay, I'm going to give you a word, and you have to vote on which one you think is at the end. So here's your word. Point to the one that you think it is, and then we'll talk about it and write it. Calendar. Which one do you think it is? If you voted for AR, you're right. So go ahead now and write calendar. Cal and der. And the is the AR. Calendar. Okay, here's your next word. Regular. Just a regular old day. Which one do you vote for? Regular. If you voted for AR, you're right again. Go ahead and write it. Regular. Regular. Okay, here's your next word. Governor. Governor. Which one is it at the end? If you voted for OR, you're right. Gov, earn, governor. Okay, let's see if we can fit some over here. Banker. What do you vote for at the end of banker? If you said ER, you are right. Bank is the base word. Is the suffix ending. Banker. Okay, how about lobster? What do you vote for? Lobster. ER, yummy. Lobster. Write it down. And we'll do one more. Major. This is a major cool game. What do you vote for major? OR, good for you. Okay, let's read our words together. Calendar, regular, governor, banker, lobster, major. Which one is a suffix at the end? Banker, let's mark it. Underline the base word, circle the suffix. That's the only one. Okay, let's go ahead and erase, and we will go into our dictation checkup. So once you've erased, you need your paper and something to write with. I'm going to give you all of the assignment and then put my page up for you to check. Because we're getting towards the end of this unit. We only have one more week till a test, so we're doing this like a practice test, but you get to check your answers. Please remember to use your student notebook to help you, especially on the sounds. Don't forget about this nice little page here in the beginning of the sounds that tells you all these spelling options. Could be a good one to have open. Okay, number one. You ready? All right. Number one. Write all the ways to do . And pause whenever you need more time. Number two. A. Write all the ways for long A. Number three. I. Write the short I sound, I. And number four. U. Write all the ways to do U. When you're done with your sounds, A, I, U, we'll go to review words. Repeat after me. Shifted. Number two. Interact. I'm going to interact with Baby Echo. Hi, Baby Echo. Interact. Number three. Tumble. Number four. Curl. Okay, I want you to go back and mark any base word and suffixes, underline the base word, circle the suffix, and scoop syllables and mark what the vowels sound like. Okay, let's go into some current words. Number one, harbor. The boat is parked in the harbor. Number two, inspector. Inspector Gadget. Go, go, Gadget arm. Number three, tumor. Her tumor needs to be removed. And number four, quicker. I'm quicker than you. Okay, scoop all your syllables and label the syllable type and the vowels. check all your words. You should have harbor, inspector, tumor, quicker. Pause until those are done. Okay, sound alike words. The first one is berry. I'm going to eat a strawberry for dinner. And number 2, herd. Watch out! A herd of elephants is coming. Berry, herd. Trick words. Were. Were you listening to me at all? And number 2, Mrs. I'm Mrs. Holbrook. Pause when you're ready after your sound alikes and your trick words. And we'll end with 2 sentences. Repeat after me. This was a major task to complete. This was a major task to complete. And the next one. Your help will be a big favor to me. Your help will be a big favor to me. Wow. Okay, guys, now you get to play teacher and check your work. So here are all of the answers. Why don't you start by checking your sounds? And then I'm going to move it up a little bit so that you can pause right here and really check your spelling and your marking. Okay, pause it, and then I'll move it up to the side. And then you can pause it right here to fix up any mistakes. Okay, the last thing you should do is read over all the words you did and all the sentences and read them smoothly. Nice job.